Welcome to the Ideas on Stage podcast, your regular insight into leadership communication.
So, Lenka, you mentioned that I'm just thinking about people who are also leading internal virtual events this year and in the future, and perhaps might face some hurdles in advocating for having enough budget and time to put these events together. Can I just ask, where did Boston Scientific, where did your team decide to allocate funds for this virtual event? Where did the money go that you needed?
Yeah, so for this year's virtual event, we really felt that we needed to deliver the content on a much higher level than before, because that was actually the only material that we were sharing, not having opportunity to have some more fun than through this virtual content. So we invested in creation of videos and other visual materials, and I think it's really paid off because we created a very coherent program and also had a lot of funny moments and through these video stories. So actually the event was full of videos. It was, I don't know, hundreds of videos that we collected and that were edited actually for the event.
Great. So video production, and then you still maintained, I know this just because I'm at Ideas on Stage, you still maintained your budget for coaching. And were there any other sideline supports that other companies should be aware of that really helped you deliver great content?
Yeah, so also the budget for coaching was higher than in the previous years because it was totally new experience also for our speakers, and I felt that it was important actually to give them professional support, and yeah, and then it worked fantastically, and then also we really spent much more time and also funds in creating the story. Because it was absolutely important to have a strong story to be able to put interactive and fun elements. I think you mentioned it also, the importance of the fun. So this is what we used to do. You know, we put our speakers and the leadership team in crazy situations in the past. And how do you do it? Through the screen? And so that's why we also where we required some additional support this year.
Great.